We're super excited to be here today to celebrate the start of production for the 27 model year Pacifica with a fresh new look, some great new technology, and still the only vehicle in the industry with second and third row stow and go seating. You know, I'm so excited to be here because this plant is celebrating 100 years and over 12 million minivans have come through this plant of the over 16 million we've produced in the last 43 years. This is a segment that we created. This is still America's best-selling and most awarded minivan. It has the most standard safety and security features, and it is absolutely a vehicle that continues to dominate the industry and make families happy and excited to spend time together. I would like to thank everybody here at Windsor Assembly Plant for everything they do to make the Chrysler Pacifica the most awarded minivan in North America, and they also produce the North American Car of the Year, the Dodge Charger. The multiple generation of families that are working together here at this plant to produce the quality that rolls off the line is absolutely incredible. Thank you to all of you and to the partnership with Unifor. You know, after 43 years, the minivan, the segment that we invented, we still dominate it. The Pacifica is America's most awarded and best-selling minivan, has the most standard safety and security features, and is flat out offers things that nobody else can do in the industry.
Well, it's super important for so many reasons. The first one being that we're coming with an awesome refresh product, the model year 2027 Pacifica, which comes with a great new external design, great new tech packaging, and an even better price here in Canada. So for over 40 years, we've been producing minivans right here. Over 16 million sold internationally, over 12 million minivans produced here. And of the Pacifica, over the last decade, more than 1 million vans have been produced in this plant right here. So thank you. You've been a big contributor to our business and an absolute gem in terms of making quality products that consumers around the world have loved.
We've been building a minivan for 43 years. Not only have we built it, we created it. We've launched it, and we've been polishing it ever since. And our main focus is quality and producing exceptional products for our customer. The workforce here at Windsor Assembly Plant is exceptional. They're reliable, their teamwork, and their passion is second to none. They use their hands, their heart, and their head to produce quality every day. They come here and they make sure we deliver product to our customer.